Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zainada Cornelia Dianhati from Diplomatry Dental Health Department. On this occasion, allow me to present the topic of the coronavirus with the title, The Journey of the Coronavirus in Indonesia. I'm interested discussing this topic because I'm curious, why did the coronavirus arrive in Indonesia? For that, let's look at the following discussion. And I apologize in advance because my laptop camera is so bad. So my video quality is not good. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus, or severe acute respiratory syndrome, is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. The disease caused by this viral infection is COVID-19. Coronavirus can cause mild disorder of the respiratory system, severe lung infection, and even death. Where did COVID-19 come from? Check out a good glimpse of the coronavirus or COVID-19 in Indonesia throughout 2020. It is known that COVID-19 first appeared in Wuhan, China, and then to Indonesia in March 2020. And until now, the virus is still spreading in the community. This makes activities in the community to be carried out in a new normal manner while still implementing health protocol. Fourth, COVID-19. The virus first hit a 55-year-old patient from Wuhan City, Hubei Province, China. This case was recorded on November 17, 2019. After that, around 1 to 5 new cases will report every day. Doctors in China only realized that they were facing a new disease at the end of December 2019. On December 27, 2020, Li Wenliang, a doctor from a medical hospital in China and expert in Hubei Province, informed the health authorities that the disease was caused by a new coronavirus. By that time, more than 180 people had been infected with the coronavirus. How did the coronavirus get to Indonesia? President Joko Widodo said that the first corona case in Indonesia appeared on Monday, March 2, 2020. It was first detected in 2 people in Depok, West Java, namely a mother and her daughter. Both were infected due to contact with Japanese citizens in Indonesia. Therefore, since March 2020, the spokesman for the handling of COVID-19, Ahmad Yuryanto, has officially declared the coronavirus a national disaster. The following is a travel timeline of how Japanese citizens and 2 people in Depok met until they finally contacted the coronavirus. We will see together. Quote from Malaysia Mail Director General of Health, Ministry of Health, Malaysia, Dr. Nur Isam Abdullah said the Japanese citizens who were positive for corona had a history of traveling to Japan in January. The first corona case in Indonesia. We will see together. Here he is. Japanese citizen. On January 2020, the Japanese citizen traveled to Japan. Then what happened next? We will hit to February 14 because this is one incident where a Japanese citizen and also a resident in Depok who is 31 years old met while attending a dance party located in Jakarta. And according to the Minister of Health, the two people have a relationship. Okay, next we will see another meeting. We were going to 2020 February. What happened to Japanese citizen after the meeting? It turns out that the Japanese citizen is clearly returning to Malaysia and he is also known to be working there. On February 17, he began to show symptoms of fever where this fever symptom is this one of the symptoms usually felt by patients infected with the new type of coronavirus or COVID-19. He then received treatment. Then on February 20, what happened was that Japanese citizen had to be treated at a Malaysian private hospital. And then on February 27, the Japanese citizen was tested positive for the coronavirus. Then he was isolated in a hospital located in Kuala Lumpur. That was the journey of a Japanese citizen who had come to Indonesia and then interacted with an Indonesian citizen, who later found out that he was infected with the coronavirus. Then what about the journey of Depok resident who had contact with Japanese citizen while in Jakarta? Well, this is it. After the meeting on February 14, resident in Depok saw symptoms of cough, shortness of breath, and fever on 16 February. After feeling the symptoms, he then did outpatient treatment at a hospital located in Depok. And during her stay, outpatient Stacy also come into contact with her mother. They were treated and also treated at the Depok Hospital on February 26. However, what is the hospital diagnosis? They were diagnosed with bronchitis. So with the existing symptoms such as cough and nausea, the doctor who was their diagnosis is to people with bronchitis. Then what happens on February 28? Finally, resident in Depok made contact with resident in Java via telephone. A Japanese citizen said that he was exposed to COVID-19. So, what did the Depok resident do after that? After hearing this news, two people in Depok residence was transferred to Mulyadi Saroso Hospital on February 29. Then on March 1, 2020, the patient underwent a medical test and a specimen was also taken to conduct a lab test for the coronavirus. Then the sample is sent to the Health Research and Development Agency. And finally, on March 2, 2020, both patients were tested positive for COVID-19. current COVID-19. Based on data from the COVID-19 Handling Official Unit as of September 29, 2021. Until now, around 4 million people have been exposed to the coronavirus, with the number of deaths as many as 142,000. And on 29 September, there has been an increase in new cases of 1,954. And in general, this case is always increasing every day. And the conclusion of my presentation is, with the spread of the coronavirus, with its increasing every day, the government urgent the public to always wear masks whenever, when, and wherever, and start administering the COVID-19 vaccine. However, we must also maintain personal sanitation and always wash our hands with soap or hand sanitizer and avoid contact with people in public places to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. And then the recommendation, keep obeying health protocol by wearing masks wherever and whenever, because my mask protects you and your mask protects me. That's all from my presentation, more or less. I apologize. Thanks you and goodbye.